Hey guys, this is Enrique with pragmaticreviews.com. Today I want to show you Elementor. Elementor is a WordPress plugin and it's also a page builder that provides you with a library with hundreds of UI widgets where you can drag and drop those widgets and create professional web pages. As a side note, Elementor announced today that there are 3 million websites using this plugin, this Elementor plugin, so it's pretty popular in the WordPress ecosystem. Today, I want to show you how to use Elementor. We are going to create 2 pages. We're going to create a Zapier training introduction page and a Zapier training videos page, where we are going to include the call to action element in the first page. Typically, this widget includes an image, a title, some text, and a call to action button. And clicking on that button is going to redirect us to the second page that we are going to create, where we are going to include a carousel. In this case, it's going to be the media carousel widget provided by Elementor. And in this case, we're going to include a video, a couple of videos actually. And we are also going to include a heading widget, and we are going to include a text that is actually part of the text editor widget provided by Elementor. So let's go to the computer and let's get started. Okay, here we are in WordPress. We have our 2 pages. This is the first page, the Zapier training introduction page. And then we have the second page, that is the Zapier training videos page. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see this bar that includes all the Elementor widgets that we can use and we can drag and drop to our web page. So for the first page, the Zapier training introduction page, we're going to drag and drop the call to action. I'm going to use this to find it. So we can drag and drop here this call to action widget. And here we can customize this widget. We can change the image. We can choose an image from our media library. So I'm going to select, let's say this one, the first one. I'm going to change the heading. Welcome to the Zapier training, and I'm going to add some text here. Click on the button below to access the training, and here I can change the text, start, for example. And there are some other things that we can do. We can change the position. For example, we can put the image on the left, or we can put the image on the right. So we can customize this widget as we want. I'm going to keep it as it was by default, with the image at the beginning and then the text under that. I'm going to link this call to action with the second page. So I'm going to select the button and I'm going to add the link to the second page, that is this one. I'm going to click on preview changes, and we're going to see that we have the call to action here with the image, our title, our text, and the button. And I'm going to click on the button and I'm going to access to an empty page because we didn't added any elements here. So let's do that right now. So let's edit the Zapier training videos page. This is the second page. I'm going to drag a heading element, and I'm going to add some text here to this heading. Let's get started. Okay, now that we have our heading, I'm going to add the media carousel. So I'm going to drop this here. And here we can customize the elements. I'm going to remove some of these elements. I'm going to keep just 2 elements where I'm going to add the video. We need to select an image, the thumbnail of the video. So I'm going to select the second one. And I need to enter the link. That's going to be a YouTube link to one of my videos. So let's put that here. And I'm going to add the second element of this carousel. I'm going to choose an image. That's going to be this image. And I'm going to select another video of my YouTube channel. So I'm going to select video and I'm going to paste the link here. And in the meantime, I'm going to go back to the widget selector, where is the list of elements, and I'm going to drop this text editor here, and I'm going to add some random text. Okay, I'm going to edit it here. Welcome to the Zapier video training series. Let's do this. Okay, so now we have 3 widgets. We have the heading widget, we have the media carousel widget with 2 videos, and then we have our text editor widget with this text. Let's do a preview of this one. And here you go. Here we have our page completed. So I'm going to publish this one. And I'm going to publish the second one. Sorry, this is the first one actually. So I'm going to preview the changes of this one. And I'm going to click on Start. And I should see the second page with the elements that we already created. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video.